Good day, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel for of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about Mars. Mars ingress in Gemini. See, Mars has ingress in Gemini on the 14th April 2021 in the early hours at 1:14. And let me tell you, the planetary positions are extremely venomous at the time when Mars has ingressed in the sign Gemini. Mars is in the ascendant in the Pisces new moon chart forming Angarak Yoga, and Mars is the king of the year and the minister of the year, and then its ingress in Gemini is most enigmatic for the reasons I'll explain you. Mars's moon is in Vishghati in Bharani at 18.143 degrees. 10th Lord and 7th Lord Mercury in Vishghati. Sun in Gandanta and aspected by Saturn. And Sun is about to leave, but before it leaves, it is aspected by Saturn. The day Lord in the Yam of Aquarius, and the Lord is placed in the 6-8 axis. The moon in the Rashi chart and the Yam chart is most malefic condition. Both are in 6-8 axis, and it says that any event when it takes place, when the Yama moon and the time when the things happen when they are in 6-8 condition, it is extremely bad. So it clearly points out that the ingress of Mars in Gemini is not auspicious, and the signification of Mars will sprout with dimension. Maybe it is virus, maybe it is natural unnatural calamities, maybe it is explosion, maybe it is brawl between the nations, maybe it is anything for that purpose. So, and Mars has put its foot on full throttle now for the virus spread and all the untoward happenings. So this is all just I wanted to tell you. I have written 2 articles. All the link of these 2 articles I'll put in the video, and let me also read out what I have written for Mars. No, this I'm talking when it is ingress. Now let us talk about Mars. What Mars can do now. I will read out the heading. Red planet Mars puts its foot on full throttle for virus surge beyond expectations, lockdowns, untowards happening, and all the predictions made till date are spot on. For the reasons that I use total mundane astrology and I don't use natal astrology. People are talking the virus will go away after 3 months. They are not giving any reasons for it. What does 3 months mean? Why can't they be specific? I am giving a specific time frame. You wait and see between 24th April to 18th of May. Both dates inclusive can be explosive for all the significations of Mars. Maybe it is virus, maybe it is brawl between the nations, maybe it is explosions, maybe it is earthquake, maybe it is political tug of war, maybe it is brawl between the nations. So Mars signification will sprout with dimension. So friends, it is not good, and Mars at the time of ingress in Gemini has changed the sign at night, and Mars is strong at night. It is in its own nakshatra. So friends, an inimical nakshatra, and these hard malefics in mutable signs are most malefic. As we could see, the eclipse which took place on the 26th December 2019, it took place in a mutable sign, Sagittarius, and Saturn and Ketu were there at the time of eclipse. So we have seen the results. So similarly, Mars transiting in Gemini will be most enigmatic for the reason that it is transiting in the second house of India over the natal Mars, and in a sign where only 19 Ashtakvarka bindus are there, and Mars is the 12th Lord and the 7th Lord. So you can expect, and Mars is the king of the year and the minister of the year. So it is extremely bad, especially for India. If you look at all the Pisces new moon charts, I would say the best would be the UK amongst all of them, because the sign Capricorn is rising and Shasha Yoga is being formed by the Lagna Lord. And the next would be China. China is for having a Gemini Lagna, and the Lagna Lord is placed in the 10th house. So maybe it is debilitated, but it is there. And then Saturn from the 8th house is aspecting the combination there. So friends, this is all just I wanted to share, that things are we are going through a very rough patch in life, and the whole world is going through a very rough patch. So we have to take full precautions. We have to maintain social distancing. We have to sanitize our hands every now and then, and use steam inhalation. Steam inhalation will help. So friends, we have to take care of ourselves, and the time is not good. So when time is not good, we should take a back seat. We should not move around much. So you would say that every time I come, I give negative predictions, but I can't help it. I want to guide people that use astrology in the positive perspective. When you are driving and there is a bad patch of road, you have to slow down. So this is what my message is, to slow down the things and not move around much, not go to crowded places. So this is all, friends. Mars is the Lagna Lord and the 8th Lord of the natural zodiac, and going in the sign Gemini is 8th from 8th. So it is 8th house from 8th house. Third house is 8th house from 8th house. Mind you that. So, and it is in an inimical sign, and it will have exchange with Mercury after the 17th of April. So it will be more violent after 17th of April. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say. I wish everybody best of luck. Take care of yourself, and thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.